Ciumia ithatu kuma mututhuko wa mwaki uria wacungiriirio ni gas mwena wa Embakasi gucungiriria ikuo cia andu 600 na magana mangi gutigwo na nguraro njuru cia mahia. Minista wa hinya uria tuhuthiraga Davis CHIRCHIR na murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kuramata mathogora ma maguta Daniel Kipto ni mekinyirie mbere ya kamiti cia bunge ciigie hinya niguo gutariria makinya maria thirikari itacukitie guthaitira gwicokera kwa mutino ta uyu.
In the document that is before you, we have put the list of the 138 licensed facilities. I wish to confirm that those that are licensed as part of our enforcement work, we have shut down 49 of the 138 facilities on account of either not having met at least 50% from the technical audits that we undertake on a routine basis, and two, those that are within a 200-meter radius of a residential facility.
Kuringana na Epra mwene ceceni iria yacungiriirie mututhuko ucio tabanagia wira ucio mugaro na watho kuona magiria make ma kuheo marua ni matianiirio ni ruhonge ruru maita matatu. Guku morotire ruhonge rwa magoti ta gukorwo ruri muhinga mihango-ini ya kuhukia ceceni ta ici.
We were aware of the premise, but there was no license facility.
Iguru ria Minista CHIRCHIR ni mahithuritie gukorwo mamukirite watho wa igoti ukirugamia gukanjwo kwa marua ma mwene ceceni ino ya Embakasi. Ona thengia wa gukorwo anyitikanite na mahitia ma kuruta wira uyu mugaro na watho.
So we do have an order from the court rescinding our decision to suspend the licenses with respect to those facilities, and I believe maybe that is what the media report was alluding to. We have since written to the Attorney General, who is the Chief Legal Advisor of Government, to then guide us on the next steps as to whether we then go back to the same Judicial Review Court for a review.
Abunge na maseneta na kuri uguo ni mendire kumenya mubango uria thirikari iri naguo hari kunyitirira aria mahutirio ni mutino uyu. Undu uria Minista CHIRCHIR eranire kurumanirira naguo nginya atigirire ni maheo uteithio.
I have heard you say here is that the people of Embakasi are the ones to look for what you call the point of call in this particular office. Is it really fair, Waziri? Because when there are floods in Northeastern, I don't see the people from Northeastern coming to the Deputy President's office to look for support. I see the government going to the people. Why is it different for the people of Nairobi?
I would like to request that you submit a status update to this House as per the law, to ensure that at least what we are doing here does not just remain to be mere talk.
Is it really fair for you to still insist that the people of Embakasi are the ones who don't know where to go for this help? If it is burying the people who died, many of them have already been buried. If it is incurring hospital bills, many of them have already incurred those hospital bills. People lost homes, they have been sleeping outside. Only for you to tell them that there's a procedure to look for the Deputy President, and yet he's the one who went to the ground to tell them that this support is there. Why is it different for the people of Nairobi? Why can't the ministry go to the people the way that it has done in other areas?
If it was within my jurisdiction, I would say we will work within a week or within 2 weeks. But because it's in another body, it is being responsible chair. If compensation has not happened today and there's a committee that is tasked with that responsibility, it's just good that I follow up, I make sure they expedite and ensure this thing is brought to a closure. It's of concern to me, as is to the members, to the Kenyans, to ensure this compensation is brought to a closure.
Girivotera Kameme TV, Jitagomora, Wagunyam.